Hello and welcome everyone. We will start a new video series, Flutter tips, and this is the first video lessons of this series. In this video, we will talk about Flutter.environment library. This is a useful library when we want to store our sensitive information like static tokens, endpoints, and something else, and don't push it to different version control systems like GitLab, and something else. Let's go our topic deeply. First of all, we need to add a dependency in pub/spec.yaml. You see there, I have done it before. When I record this video, it's a 5 major version. Maybe it's different in the time when you're looking for this video. And after adding this library, we should define an environment file that's named .env. But it can be different when you want to divide your environment files to different sites. For example, .env.production, .env. Develop or something else. But in our case, it's just one file. If you want to go deeply, you can divide it more, but it starts with .env. And after adding this, we can add our secrets in this file. It has different types of support. For example, we can go here. For example, we can add string, any science or something else. We can add comment and etc. Assume that we have some secure token and we should want to carefully use it. Here can be any string. I have write a mock data, anything in here. And then at the last stage we should do before starting coding, we should add it to gitignore file because I have said before that we shouldn't push it to version control systems. That's why we should define it in gitignore file. After this, we can start coding side, and one point I have forgot to say, we should add it to assets in pub/spec.yaml. After this, our Flutter code understands that we have some file that's called .env, and we can use it in coding side. And after this, we can press Ctrl or Command S. It depends on your operating system. And let's go to coding side. It's a useful and a simple library. First of all, we should define load operation, load function. It's simple function that loads your file and its content when app is started. Generally, we define it in main.dart, or you can divide it some other part and call from there. And our file name is .env. That's why we called it file name, called it .env. After this, when app is started, our file will be loaded, and then we can use the data that's called secure token inside it. How can we use it? Let's go to our definition. It's a simple syntax. We call .env. It's an object of our library, and inside it we have a map that's called environment. So it's a map string. First side is case height, second is value. We call with our k. We defined it with a k secure token. It's here, and we define here its k is secure token and gets this value. It returns us a string because its type is string. Our value is string. So we can use it in anywhere. In our example, I just show it in our screen. Maybe you can use it in service side to load our APIs or secure token to request some services and something else. That's it. Simply we looked at a Flutter.env library. In the next series. See you soon. Bye.